This short video will just highlight the flexibility that we will lose in having to use Google Classroom. What I'm going to show you is down the side of this is just the different level of grouping we have in this workspace. This is already easily pre-done, and it's easy to change the groups as was done between the different points of the group work. So what we can see, we have consequences. We had an individual learner put on that. That was very easy to set up. Then we had the causes, and we had the cause group set up. As a result of work in the cause groups, I won't go through them all. We were then able to set up different groups for the timeline. In addition to that, in the same space, we also then had the extension thinking based on solar taxonomy in this space as well. So what does that actually look like as we go through? What that means is in these areas, when we get down to, so we go past this research around conflict, note how it's not in the order it would have been originally. That's the flexibility we use to promote different bits of the learning. So if we come down to the timeline is here, and the timeline groups are set up to work in this section. So if we go all groups now, and then what we'll see is when we get down to the timelines is we've got that working. You'd notice that wasn't there a minute ago. So all these groups, and these were different groups set up. And then, in addition to that, as a result of the introduction section, there's a differentiation around the language option, which had some of our learners working in this area, which is a link to the class tools hexagons. Again, phenomenal flexibility, phenomenal tool of differentiation, something which I have been told is not available within Classroom. So again, I'm sensing we will have to, or the way in which we deliver flexible, individualized learning will not be as effective for our learners.